Hello friends, today I'm going to give you a tour of the Hilton Anaheim by the Convention Center. This is a big convention center hotel. Before we get started, say hi. This is a little bit of an older hotel, I have to tell you. This is a king-size bed. The furniture is a little bit dated. The nightstand is very large, but you can see that it's a little bit dated. If you look at the wallpaper, there's scuffs and marks throughout. Old AC system. It does the job. It is a big room. I feel like it is a big room. Here's your minibar station. There's 2 bottles of water that they give you for a $5 fee, which is a little outrageous. Normally, you will at least expect maybe a complimentary bottle of water. Here is a Cuisinart coffee maker with some coffees. Yeah, regular coffee and decaf coffee. I don't see any tea options, unfortunately. And then there's a refrigerator down here that is not fully stocked, but it's a nice amenity to have. Coming over to this section, you have an ice bucket. There's nothing in these drawers. Very large TV here, as you can see. There's a nice working desk here with what appears to be an ergonomic chair. A nice lamp there. And a unique feature of this room is that we have this balcony. As you can see, this is the hotel right here, and not that many rooms have a balcony. This one has a table, which is with 3 chairs. It seems to be an odd number of chairs. There's a random chair here with a little table. It's just such a bizarre setup, but I love the fact that you do have a balcony that is carpeted. Who has seen a carpeted balcony? Well, here's all the rooms that have a balcony, and you overlook what appears to be the convention center and some of the HVAC system below. Lots of palm trees. It's a beautiful day here in Anaheim. I do like this feature, and if you're traveling with a family, maybe you want to step outside and have a dinner outside, I can see that and appreciate that. Just an overall old school vibe. Look at that chair. Sounds like it's been there for about 10 to 15 years. Not sounds, it looks. It looks like it's been there for 10 to 15 years. Let's head over to the bathroom. Before, let's check out this closet. You have an ironing board, a luggage rack, a safe, a few hangers. Very nice, spacious closet. And then here is the bathroom. I do like the bar style door because it creates extra space there. Hello again. Here is the bathroom, and here's the sink with a soap, a couple of, look at the sink, has a few scratch marks. That's not hair, that's scratch marks. And then here is your tissue paper. Your amenities are attached to the wall, so you get nice big bottles. This appears to be Crabtree and Evelyn amenities. The same is true for your shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo here. This is an old school tub, which actually a lot of families appreciate because you can bathe your small kids in it. And that's it. This is the bathroom. Look, there's some water damage up here. Nothing major, but you can see that there's been some wear and tear to this property. Even if you look at the carpet, you can see how there's spots. It actually shows through the camera as well. So overall, that is the Hilton Anaheim at the Convention Center. I'm sure you'll probably be booking this if you're going to a convention at the Convention Center. Otherwise, there's a lot newer product in Anaheim. I'm sure that this hotel is likely due for a renovation. So maybe in the coming years, you'll get a completely new Hilton Anaheim. Enjoy.